Yo, 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 what is up, everybody? It's your boy, I Smoke Bammer, the one and only. Nobody smoke more Bammer than me. And today, we are back at it with another video. And today, I got a special jewelry review video. We have a package here from Dripgawdjewelry. It is some earrings. You guys can see Dripgawdjewelry from Sunny Cove Drive, Raleigh, North Carolina, and we got us some earrings, some black moissanite earrings. So we gonna open this up and let's get to it with the review. So let's do it. We're gonna break this open. Sheesh. And I do have a discount code, guys. It is I Smoke Bammer if you want 10% off from anything on their website. So it is I Smoke Bammer for 10% off anything on the website. If you use my discount code, you will help me out. I will get my own commission. And yeah, so basically we have a little letter from my boy Dripgawdjewelry saying thank you for purchasing our 6.5mm round cut moissanite earrings in 925 silver, black rhodium, and then they gave me $20 off code for our next purchase. And yeah, my boy Vince Green welcoming us to the Dripgawdjewelry family. So we have a discount code here, right? Dripgawdjewelry, little code, QR code. If you want to go directly to their website, you can scan this QR code. And it takes you directly to their website. So it does come with a GRA certificate. Haven't had these in a while. I was getting them in the beginning when I was purchasing moissanite, GRA moissanite, 6.5mm, 1 carat moissanite, black moissanite earrings. And here is the GRA certificate card or whatever. Right. Really shiny, really shiny. Anyway, then you have the little moissanite report for the people who want to see what their grading is or whatever. Moissanite report. You open it up. Right, it has everything you need to know about the moissanite. Right. But we don't need this. But I appreciate him putting it in there with the purchase. So yeah, we have purchased from Dripgawdjewelry before. We purchased a 3mm moissanite tennis bracelet, and my guy was looking for jewelry reviewers, and I said, put me down for, review this jewelry. Like I said, I have my own discount code. If you guys want to purchase anything from his website, it is I Smoke Bammer for 10% off. He does have, sometimes other discount codes that are better than my code, but if you want to purchase something in the meantime and he's not doing any deals, you could use my code I Smoke Bammer for 10% off. And yeah, so basically, this is the box of the earrings that it comes with. I like the little, whatever that is, crown. I can't really see what it says. It says something. Fashion. I think it says fashion. So I believe it says fashion. Sorry about my camera. It kind of sucks. Need to get a new one. So yeah, this is the little box the earrings come with. Alright, and we're going to open it up. Ooh, look at that. Look at those beauties. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful black moissanite earrings. Look at that. They are nice. Black on black. Ooh, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I like them. Never really bought no black moissanite earrings, but so far these are pretty nice. I saw the pink ones as well. Those look nice too. I might have to get those and do a review, but for the meantime, we're gonna start with these black ones. Look at that. They look pretty nice, pretty nice. 6.5mm black moissanite earrings. I believe these were like $80, and I got them for a little bit cheaper, but I mean $80. If you use my discount code, they're about 70. Like I said, he did have a 50% off sale a few days ago, so you could have got them for like $40. But like I said, if you want to buy these and there's no code, you could always just use my discount code, I Smoke Bammer, and you could purchase these 10% off or anything else on the website. He does have earrings, tennis chains, tennis bracelets. He does do custom watches. He also does grills. So like I said, 10% off if you use my discount code. Okay, we're gonna put these earrings on. I took off my other earrings just so I could put these on for you guys. We will take them out. Okay, alright, everything is black. Black on black. Even the back is black. Ooh, look at that. It's shining a little bit. Sorry about my camera, can't really focus. But I need to get a new camera. It's not doing it any justice. But it's so nice. Look at that shine. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's crazy. So we're going to put this earring on. I'm going to put it on, let y'all see how it looks, That will conclude this video. These earrings are awesome. Black moissanite. I am a big fan of the color black. As you can see, I wear a lot of black. So, definitely a great purchase for these. For me, since I love the color black. So, that is the reason I purchased these earrings. Can't find the hole. That's what she said. Damn. This is hard. What the hell? Can't get the little back piece in. Okay, there we go. I got it. We did it. We did it. We got the back piece in. Alright, for now that's good enough. So we got one earring here. Ooh, I kind of like these. They look pretty nice. They look pretty nice. We're going to have to put on the other one. But yeah, they look pretty nice. Like I said, black on black. So this is the other one. You guys can see the little shine. Ooh, black. It's like a mirror. It's like a mirror up in here. Like, that's crazy. Look at that. That mirror shine. Ooh-wee. Can't really even see it. It shines so crazy. It's like a mirror reflecting. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Shout out to Dripgawdjewelry for doing this thing. Won't be disappointed with his quality. He's an awesome person. I really appreciate him giving me the opportunity to, become an ambassador for him and review his jewelry, because he has pretty good stuff. Like I said, I wasn't disappointed when I bought that tennis bracelet. It was awesome. He has different sizes. He has different earring sizes as well. These are just the first ones that I wanted to review for you guys, since I know it's been a while since your boy's done jewelry review videos, but the earrings look pretty awesome. 6.5mm, 1 carat, so don't expect them to be super big, but man, they look pretty, like them, they look pretty good. Black, Black Moissanite. Black Moissanite. Let's get it, guys. It looks awesome. Shout out my boy Dripgawdjewelry. Won't be disappointed. Once again, use that discount code ISmokeBammer for that 10% off your order, and you will be helping me because I get that commission, so I'm able to buy more jewelry or invest and do some giveaways and all. But if you like what you see, head on down to dripgawdjewelry.com and get you some jewelry. It's your boy ISmokeBammer. I hope this was a good review. Peace.